Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to make Picsart account private. To make your Picsart account private, go ahead and open a web browser and log into Picsart account's website, or you can also open up Picsart application on your computer. Right after you open up the Picsart application on your device, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Soon after you do that, you will be taken to your profile page where you will need to go ahead and click on the public drop down right next to post option. Go ahead and click on private in order to make your post private. Picsart doesn't offer a direct option to make your entire profile private, so you can control the visibility of your content to a certain extent. So that is the only thing you can do regarding making your Picsart account private. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.